AM for northeastern Pemiscot, northwestern Novian, and northeastern Lake counties. At 7:40 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Portage, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Portageville, Tiptonville, Clayton, Sandburg, South Springs, Walnut Log, Wright, Croninville, Graves Camp, Case, Betsy, Proctor City, New Markham, Stewart, Stanley, Hayward, and Reelfoot National Wildlife Refuge. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest
The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County, Illinois, Pulaski County, Illinois, Southern Polk County, Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, Nassau County, Illinois, South Central Williamson County, Illinois, Ballard County, Kentucky, McCracken County, Kentucky, Fulton County, Kentucky, Southwestern Livingston County, Kentucky, Carlisle County, Kentucky, Hickman County, Kentucky, Graves County, Kentucky, Mississippi County, Missouri, Southeastern New Madrid County, Missouri, East Central Cape Illinois, Southern Polk County, Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, Nassau County, Illinois, South Central Williamson County, Illinois, to near Carroll to near Big Oak Tree State Park to near Tiptonville, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Paducah, Mayfield, Metropolis, Charleston, Hill, East Point, Carroll, Fulton, Hickman, Jonesboro, Vienna, Clinton, Los Angeles, Bardwell, Wycliffe, Big Oak Tree State Park, Lone Oak, Torosati State Historic Site, Regan, and Compton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 38. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 43. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 10 and 21. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 38. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 43. Interstate 57 in Missouri between mile markers 10 and 21. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Perth area today.